Let's see what flash fill can do. It is magic. Well, at least I think it is. Here I have a list. I've got various columns, if we go back to the beginning, where I've got title, first name, middle initial, surname, street address, city, postcode, email address, telephone. And maybe I want to combine the first name and the last name together. Now, I would normally do that using a calculation, and there is a formula for that called concatenate or concat, but flash fills much quicker. So if I start the first one is Ella. Whoops, we need to type in her full name, Ella space Hilton. And the second person is Michael. And you'll see that it's actually guessed what I want it to do. Now, it's not always so fast. Sometimes you have to give it a complete 2 or 3 examples. Now, if I press the Enter key, you'll see that it completes the whole column, which is magic. If we want the city and the postcode, for example, we can start by typing in the city, CMill space KA230PW. And if I start the second one, which is Ashton, again, it's worked out exactly what I want it to do, and I can complete that. And again, if I want to just have the first name here, I can type Ella and then Michael, and Bob's your uncle. It knows. Have a go at that. Have a go at combining and pulling out different things. I'm sure that you will find that flash fill will help you no end, especially when you need to tidy up your lists. Happy filling.